So, hello. I'm making this cover of Adele's Don't You Remember because, I'm so broken-hearted and it's good to, watch something someday when I'm already, oh, it started! The song started now! Not yet. Am I crazy? Hey, so now I'm over the denial stage and I'm on the anger stage. Huh. I'm so angry. This is how angry I am. You don't look very angry. Yeah. I'm so angry! I'm so angry! I'm so angry! Oh, I will. I will post this. And you let go of this girl, of this pretty girl. Fuck you. Tanduay eyes. Ah, so now I'm a bit sad. I and I'm angry. I'm angry. How can you forget someone you've been together with for almost 4 years and just forget her in just 1 week and look for someone else in just 1 week? Are you gonna replace this kind of beauty over that? I'm so bitter, but I'll be better. 'Cause don't you remember the reason you love me before? Baby, please remember me once more. I know he wouldn't go back to me after he heard me sing, so maybe she's a good singer. That's why. I'm so mad at you. I wanna be Hulk. I wanna be Hulk. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. Bye.
It's hard to look right